Hello students, standard 6th English medium, subject computer. So children, we are learning lesson number 2, Windows files and folder. Right? Now next topic is restore a deleted file or folder. Page number 42 children, open your textbook. Okay, last time we learned how to rename a file and folder and how to delete a file or folder, right? Now we will see how to restore a deleted file and folder. So children, we have deleted last time badminton file from indoor games subfolder. ठीक है ना, हमने इंडोर गेम्स का जो सब फोल्डर था उसमें से बैडमिंटन फाइल को डिलीट किया था. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, बैडमिंटन फाइल को वापस हम इंडोर गेम्स में लाएंगे. ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिस्टोर अ फाइल और फोल्डर. राइट, तो स्टेप नंबर 1, ऑन द डेस्कटॉप click on recycle bin folder. Right, so here you can see this is recycle bin, this is Windows dustbin and it contains all the files and folders that you have deleted. अब जो भी डिलीट करोगे फाइल और फोल्डर वो सब रिसाइकल बिन में स्टोर होगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ओपन दिस रिसाइकल बिन. नाउ सी, here badminton file is there that we have deleted from indoor games subfolder. Right, now second step is right click on badminton file. Okay, right click on badminton file, then you will see the drop down menu. This drop down menu is there. Right children, now from this drop down menu you have to click on restore. Okay children, here restore is there. Okay, so you have to click on restore. Right, so when you click on restore, the menu closes and the selected file disappears from the recycle bin. Now you can see in recycle bin there is no badminton file. ठीक है, जो बैडमिंटन फाइल थी वो क्या हो डिलीट हो गई, क्या डिलीट हुई थी और वो रिसाइकल बिन में थी. ठीक है, अब हमने रिस्टोर किया तो वो फाइल अभी रिसाइकल बिन में से वापस इंडोर गेम्स सब फोल्डर में मिलेगी. राइट, now the file is restored in its original place, indoor game sub folder. Okay, so first of all click on close button to close the window. Right, now click on start button. Okay, documents folder, then sports window and indoor games. Right, now you can see the badminton file is, it is in its original place. Right, इंडोर गेम्स सब फोल्डर, अभी बैडमिंटन फाइल उसके ओरिजिनल प्लेस में है. ठीक है, इंडोर गेम्स का जो सब फोल्डर था उसमें वो वापस आ गई है. ठीक है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिस्टोर अ फाइल और फोल्डर. ओके, यू विल सी बैडमिंटन फाइल इन इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस अगेन. एंड नाउ click to close button. Right children, so in this way you can restore any file or folder. Clear? Okay, now we will see next topic, change the view of a library. Okay children, change the view of the library. Now Windows allows you to change the view of the library window. This means you can change the way files and folders are arranged in the library. So you can make changes in the arrangement of the files and folders. Okay children, now what are the steps? Step number 1, click on start button. Okay, you will see the start menu. On the right pane of the start menu, click on documents. Okay, so now documents window will be opened. In this window, click on sports folder to see the sports window. Right, Step number 4, on the toolbar, click on arrow on this. See, this is toolbar, children, and this arrow, you have to click here, more options, right children? So these are the more arrangements that you can change your view. Okay, you will see this menu, right children? See, extra large icons, medium icons, all these types of changes that you can make, right? Now the arrow on the menu points to list, which means that the files and folders are currently arranged in the list form, right children? Now number 5th, on the menu click on tiles. Okay, for example, when you click on these tiles, okay, now you can see the menu close and the view of the window changes. See, okay, the view of the window changes like this, right children? Again we can make changes. Okay, the steps are same. On the toolbar, click on this arrow. Okay, now select extra large icons. Now you can see again the view of the window changed, right children? Again you can make changes. Okay, medium icons. Okay, so here list. Okay, then after details, right? Then after contents, right children? So in this way you can make changes of view of the library. You can change your view of the library, right children? So in this way you can change the view of the library window, right children? Now you have to click on close button to close the window in this way, right? So here your lesson number 2, Windows, files and folder is completed. Okay children, I have sent you all practical videos, right? All notes, right children? Please read all topics from your textbook as well as CW. Okay, and watch all practical videos carefully, right? And if possible, then do this practical at home also. Okay, if you have computer or laptop at home, then you can do easily this practical exercise. Okay children, so do practice, right? So here our lesson number 2 is completed, and children, your first semester examination for computer, your syllabus will be lesson number 1 and 2. Okay, please remember children, the syllabus of first semester examination of computer will be lesson number 1, Introduction to Computers, and lesson number 2, Windows, Files and Folders. 2 lessons that you have to prepare for your first semester exam of computer. Okay, and we have finished our syllabus children. Okay, I will send you the photographs of exercise. Then after you have to complete the exercise in your textbook also. Okay, and also you have to do practice of this practical exercise, right children? So thank you so much.